The Coway Airmega 100 is the smallest air purifier from Coway and is a direct competitor to many cylindrical air purifiers on the market. In today's video, I'll compare it to the Levoit Core 300S and decide which one is the better buying option. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. These two air purifiers are very similar in terms of specifications. Both are cylindrical, weigh almost the same, use three-stage filtration technology, and come with a few interesting features. However, the Levoit Core 300S has a higher CADR of 141 CFM and is suitable for rooms up to 219 square feet. In contrast, the Coway Airmega 100 has a CADR of 109 CFM, making it ideal for rooms up to 169 square feet. Both air purifiers have an integrated air quality sensor that works in combination with the air quality indicator and auto mode features. However, only the Levoit Core 300S supports a smart app. What I particularly like about the Coway is its nightlight feature and unique design. Both devices also include a timer, sleep mode, filter reset indicator, and display lock features. Both air purifiers use three-stage filtration technology consisting of a pre-filter, main filter, and carbon filter. The cylindrical filter is located inside the bottom part of each device. What I truly like is that neither of these models uses an ionizer or UVC light, meaning they don't produce ozone and are safe to use. Additionally, both are CARB certified. The first filtration stage on both devices is a nylon mesh pre-filter which traps large airborne particles. The second stage is the main filter, which is true HEPA rated in the Coway. The final stage is the activated carbon filter, a fibrous filter coated with carbon in the Coway and a pellet-based carbon filter in the Levoit. While both air purifiers performed exceptionally well in removing airborne particles, the Levoit demonstrated superior performance in neutralizing bad odors due to its more effective carbon filter. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. We tested the airborne particle removal efficiency of these two air purifiers using the TempTop laser particle meter. Since they have nearly identical CADR ratings, we performed the tests in two rooms of the same size. In the first test, performed in a 194 square foot room, the Levoit Core 300S improved the air quality by 94%, while the Coway Airmega 100 achieved a 93% improvement. In the second test, performed in a much larger 320 square foot room, which is larger than the recommended size for both devices, both delivered impressive results. The Levoit Core 300S improved the air quality by 92%, while the Coway Airmega 100 improved it by 91%. Both air purifiers operated at maximum speed for 60 minutes during these tests. In summary, the Levoit Core 300S performed slightly better in these evaluations. In the following seconds, you'll find out which air purifier performed better in our smoke test. Both air purifiers have 4 fan speeds and include a sleep mode, making them relatively quiet. At the lowest speed, the Levoit Core 300S produces a sound level of 41.4 dBA, while the Coway Airmega 100 is slightly quieter at 40.3 dBA. At maximum speed, the Levoit Core 300S reaches 65.2 dBA, while the Coway Airmega 100 produces 60.9 dBA. While both are relatively quiet at their lowest speeds, they are somewhat loud at maximum speed. I would recommend both for bedroom use, especially the Coway Airmega 100, which not only has a well-optimized motor, but also features a charming yellow nightlight. Overall, the Coway Airmega 100 is better optimized for noise than the Levoit Core 300S. When it comes to power consumption, the first point to note is that both air purifiers are equipped with well-optimized motors with nearly identical power ratings. The Coway Airmega 100 has a 25-watt motor, while the Levoit Core 300S features a 26-watt motor. This means that if you run these devices at their maximum speeds 24 hours a day for an entire month, your electricity bill would increase by approximately $2.01 for the Levoit Core 300S and $1.95 for the Coway Airmega 100. In addition to electricity costs, there's also a cost of replacement filters. The Coway filter lasts longer and is only slightly more expensive than the replacement filter for the Levoit Core 300S. When combined with its lower power consumption, the Coway Airmega 100 is slightly more affordable in terms of annual maintenance. Honestly, this was one of the toughest comparisons I've made so far, with the smallest details determining the winner. So let's be clear. Whichever air purifier you choose, you won't go wrong. However, I must admit that I slightly prefer the Levoit Core 300S. It performed better in our airborne particle removal tests, was faster in smoke removal tests, offers plenty of smart features, uses a much better carbon filter, and has a higher CADR. On the other hand, the Coway Airmega 100 is slightly quieter overall and more affordable to maintain. If you have any questions about these two air purifiers, please leave a comment below the video. You can find all the links in the video description. If you enjoyed this comparison, please give it a like and press subscribe. That's it for now.